Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you office makeup look under 5 minutes. I know guys, before office we don't get that much time to do a lot of makeup. So here I'm sharing with you a very quick and affordable makeup look. Before makeup I'll apply Nivea Strawberry Shine Lip Balm so that when I'll apply my lip color, ये smoothly apply हो जाए. Next, I'll apply a little bit aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel helps to moisturize my face as well as it will work like a good primer. Primer really helps to minimize our open pores and create a smooth base. Now I'll apply a little bit Pond's BB cream. I prefer BB cream over foundation because foundation skin पे heavy दिखती है, whereas BB cream बिल्कुल natural finish देता है. I will blend the BB cream evenly all over my face in dabbing motion, and then I'll apply Lakme Compact Powder. Compact powder से BB cream सेट करने से मेरी फेस का ऑयलीनेस एंड एक्स्ट्रा शाइन कम होगा एंड लॉन्ग लास्टिंग कवरेज मिलेगा. Now I will tightline my eyes with this SQ Badass Kohl pencil. This is intense jet black in color. I'm a big kajal lover, so I apply kajal daily basis. But girls, if you don't like to apply kajal daily basis, you can skip this part. Now I'll apply a little bit kajal on my eyelid, and then I'll smudge it with my finger. I'll blend it nicely so that कोई भी harsh line ना दिखे. It will make my eyes look bold. You can clearly see the difference between my two eyes. Now I'm repeating the same process in my another eye. Girls, this part is totally optional. If you don't like, just skip it. Now I am applying mascara on my eyelashes to give some extension to my lashes. Products I am using in this video will mention in the description box. If you want, you can check it out. Girls, I must say mascara makes a huge difference in our looks, so try not to skip this. Now I will fill my natural brow hairs with the same kajal pencil I used. You can do this with your brow pencil also, whatever you like. But if you are using a kohl pencil, make sure कि पेंसिल को थोड़ा स्लाइड करके एकदम लाइट स्ट्रोक में ही अप्लाई करना, एंड देन अच्छी से स्पूली कर लेना ताकि ये इवनली स्प्रेड हो जाए. Now I am applying my favorite pink lipstick. It is Stay Quickie Mini Lipstick. I will apply very little amount of lipstick and I will keep on doing like this so that it will look like my natural pigmented lips. And yes, with this I am done. I don't need so much of touch-ups. I am wearing my earrings. I'll carry my office bag. That's it. I'm ready to go. If you really like the video, please hit the like button for me. Do share the video with your friends and family. If you are new to my channel, make sure कि my channel को भी subscribe कर देना. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that when I upload my future video, you'll get notification. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.